In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Monday.com boards to different accounts. Whether you're collaborating on a new project with a different team or just need to reorganize your boards, knowing how to transfer boards efficiently can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dig into the step-by-step process so you can handle this smoothly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to monday.com. Make sure you're logged into the account containing the boards you wish to transfer. Once you're in, think about the organization of your workspace and identify the specific board you want to move. There are several methods for exporting a board, so it's good to be aware of your options. Let's focus on one efficient method here. Locate the board you're interested in transferring. Click on it to open it up, and once open, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you're going to select the option that reads Duplicate Board. Confirm your choice by clicking Duplicate. This step ensures you have another version of the board, and it sets things up for a smoother transfer process. Once your duplicate board is ready, you'll need to invite members to it. This is essential if you're moving your board to collaborate with someone on a new account. Look for the Invite Members button within the board settings. Click on it to proceed. A list of current members will appear, and you can click on Member to invite new people who will be working on this board with you. Once you've selected